Take it out.
Lesson 1.9. Unsplash Photos Google Slides add-on. To find add-ons, select Add-ons, Get Add-ons. A good add-on for Google Slides is Unsplash. Type the word Unsplash and search. Once you find it, select Free. Select your Google account at CVUHSD and then Allow. To begin using the Unsplash photos in Google Slides, select Add-ons, select Unsplash Photos, and insert an Unsplash photo. All of these pictures are free to use. Select any picture from Unsplash and resize the picture as needed. Press and hold Shift as you rescale the picture to maintain the aspect ratio, and it'll keep the proportions. Select another picture and rescale once again to maintain the proportion. A really cool thing to do with images is to mask images. Select the picture, select Mask Image, select a shape, and apply it. And as you can see, the image will be masked to the shape. You can do this for any image. That's it. Feel free to explore these and other options within Unsplash Photos.